Here we go, up for a road test. I'm gonna go ahead and fire the car up here. I have to show you the console and the shifter though. I really do think that really makes a statement here. It has the correct shifter with the unlock for reverse and everything. Let's go ahead and fire it up. You're gonna see not a lot of activity in the gauges. I did not hook up the wheel pressure gauge. And the speedo needle is over here kind of missing, but hey, here we go. Fired right up, that was nice. So I'm in first gear right now, and I'm just going to show you that, yeah, reverse does work. So we're moving ahead at that snow pile. Yep, we're around Denver here. So let's stop and let's go ahead and just show you going back to reverse. Nicely click over. Yep, nobody's behind us. I just checked the rearview mirror. And reverse is good. So I want to show you that it does go on the road and all forward gears work as well. Here we go. 1964 Chevelle SS. Frame off, restored. May not look like it up top, but if you look underneath, you'll see it is. Fun car to drive though. I mean, just Colorado, the Chevelle, Sunday. What more do you need? Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Fast enough for the old neighborhood. So I'm going to see if I can get you up to 50 or 60 here. I don't know if I really can here today. It's up to you what you do, but I'll tell you what, if you want it, you got to bid on it.
Good luck bidding.